today is the day to do it. The weather is perfect out there right now. And among those sandbagging people living in Northeast Jackson, this is what it looks like along Riverwood Drive just off Old Canton. Backs up to Hanging Moss Creek. You can see the water already coming into yards. The Carrollton family tells us it's getting worse minute by minute.
When I woke up this morning, the water was barely touching the pavement on my driveway. But now you see is you can't walk out of here without getting your feet wet.
No way to do it. The Carltons tell us this happened before when it floods, and they're hoping for a more permanent solution. In the meantime, though, they are protecting their home as best they can.